Welcome to our guide on HR analytics. In today's video, we are going to explore how data is transforming human resources from a support function into a strategic partner. Whether you are an HR professional or a business leader, understanding data-driven decision-making is crucial for modern workforce management. Traditionally, HR decisions were often based on gut feeling or intuition. You might hire someone because you like their vibe. But relying on intuition alone is subjective and prone to bias. The new way is data-driven. It relies on facts, metrics, and evidence. Instead of guessing, we use data to prove what works and what does not. So, what exactly is HR analytics? It is often called people analytics. Simply put, it is the process of collecting and analyzing data about your workforce to improve performance. It combines people data with business outcomes to help organizations make smarter decisions. Think of analytics as a ladder with 4 steps. First is descriptive analytics, which tells us what happened. Second is diagnostic, which asks, why did it happen? Third is predictive, helping us see what will happen. And finally, prescriptive analytics tells us, how can we make it happen? To get started, you need to track the right metrics. Common examples include employee turnover, which measures retention, time to hire for recruitment efficiency, engagement scores to track satisfaction, and absenteeism rates. These numbers tell the story of your workforce's health. Why should you invest time in this? First, it leads to better hiring by identifying top performer traits. Second, it improves retention by flagging risk factors early. And third, it saves money by reducing turnover costs and improving overall efficiency. The process is a cycle. It starts with asking a business question like, why are we losing sales staff? Next, you gather relevant data. Then, you analyze that data to find patterns. Finally, and most importantly, you act on those insights to solve the problem. You do not need expensive software to start. Basic tools like Excel or Google Sheets are perfect for beginners. As you advance, you might use Power BI, Tableau, or Python. But remember, the tool is less important than the quality of your questions and data. With great data comes great responsibility. Data privacy is paramount. You must protect sensitive employee information. Also, be aware of bias. If your historical data is biased, your algorithms will be too. Always ensure your data is clean and your models are fair. To wrap up, remember that the goal is to move from intuition to evidence. Start small with descriptive analytics, focus on solving real business problems, and always keep ethics at the center of your strategy. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your data journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.